Shivani Thakkar from English Subunit, Department of Distance Education, Punjabi University, Patiala. We are going to know more about English subject being run in offered in Distance Education Department. Welcome, Dr. Shivani.
Thank you, ma'am, and a very good afternoon to all.
Ma'am, can you please guide us regarding English course being offered by Distance Education Department?
Yes, English is one of the compulsory courses in most of the undergraduate programs being run by the department, whether it is a Bachelor in Arts, it is a Bachelor in Commerce or Computer Application. And at the same time, we are also offering a master's course in English, MA in English, which is a 2-year program.
Ma'am, what is the eligibility criteria to get admission into MA English in Distance Education Department?
So anybody who has an undergraduate degree, a bachelor's degree, in any stream, whether it is arts, commerce, sciences, medicine, engineering, architecture, anybody can come and pursue a master's course in English from this department. Here, it's a lot of advantage, for the students who are from diverse background, because so far as the regular department is concerned, to take admission in that department, you have to have completed English literature as an optional subject at undergraduate level. Nobody from any other background can enter MA into English, but in our department, there is no bar on the stream in which you must have pursued your undergraduation.
That means, ma'am, this is the biggest benefit which is being given to a student who is taking admission in MA English and Distance Education Department, that he or she need not to be having English as a subject in bachelor's to get admission into MA English.
Absolutely. Over the last few years, we are having students from diverse backgrounds, engineers, MBAs,
great,
retired army personnel, people as old as 70 have been our students,
That's great, that's great. Ma'am, is this course a semester system or annual system?
No, the course which the Department of Distance Education offers at present is through semester system.
How many semesters a student need to cover during the course of 2 years of master's, ma'am?
Over 2 years, we have 4 semesters. Semester 1 starts at the time of admission, mostly in August, runs up to December, and then from January to April, and then so on.
How many papers are there in each semester, ma'am, a student has to go through?
In each semester, the student has to pass 4 papers. Some of them are core courses, some of them are optional courses, but due to certain reasons, in the department at present, we are not in a position to offer a lot of options. So we are offering 4 subjects per semester, which makes it 16 papers over a course of 2 years.
That means, ma'am, a student has to go through 16 papers
yes,
throughout the course. And is there any criteria for internal and external?
Yes. Here we are at par with the main department of English of the university. So for the 100 marks, we have an external exam for 75 marks, and we have an internal system of 25 marks. And out of these 25 also, we take assignments from the students who take admission for 13 marks, and for 12 marks, we send them a Google sheet, a Google form, containing certain MCQs regarding all the papers, 12 MCQs per paper.
Is this criteria same for the students who opt for English? I think English is a compulsory subject to be studied in bachelor's. So is this internal criteria same for the BA students also?
No, madam. Actually, at undergraduate level, there is no provision for any internal assessment.
Okay.
It is only restricted to the master's level courses.
Okay. That means a student who is doing English at BA level, he or she has to perform a 100 marks question.
Yes.
Okay. Any other additional information which you would like to share for the students of English, ma'am? Scope of this subject in the field?
I want to clarify a small little thing here. That is, when we say MA in English, it's a it's a kind of a thing that people think if you do an MA in English, you will become fluent, with spoken English.
Yes. Generally, it is.
This is the general perception, that if you do a master's in English, you will become fluent in English. But of course, it's not, language is not the only thing that we study here. The focus is primarily on studying the literature in English from all corners of the world, So the beauty of doing a master's course in English is that first of all, we are aware about the general human condition, about the emotions and feelings and experiences of people from all corners of the world. English now being, kind of the lingua franca, the global language, we give English so many names, So English being a global language, is a very, very powerful medium of sharing the experiences, emotions, thought processes of people from all over the world, Now English has kind of, squeezed the world, and it helps us, having that feeling of oneness with people from all over the world.
Okay.
And then you develop a sensitivity towards literature. It has a number of, it has a therapeutic value also. Once you read literature, it makes you spiritually enriched, it makes you politically aware, it makes you socially responsible, moral, ethical education. So, it has a number of things, associated with it.
Benefits.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shivani, for giving us insight into the subject also and its other fields also. This is Dr. Shivani, Assistant Professor, English Subunit, Distance Education Department, Punjabi University, Patiala. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.